Well, I just put added a few attachments for Adam's excavator. So I'm just testing this clam and make sure it doesn't leak and see how well it works. Put the Mac up here for something to load. You gotta be fairly close to it because you can't, the dirt doesn't fall out of the clam real well if you have the clam at a steep angle. Oh, you can't see it, it's too close. Back it up. That's better. See the clams, it's clean there, there's no dirt stuck in it. Now it's completely stuck. There we go. It's not sticking now, it's working pretty good. Yeah, it's still clean. Still not sticking. A little bit moisture dirt over here, maybe it'll stick a little more. Nah, it came out pretty good. Oh, see, some stuck there. Getting me some moist dirt here. It's packing pretty good. About full. That isn't too bad. I mean, it's slower than a regular bucket, but not by much. Probably about half. Yeah, probably about half the time actually. Probably takes twice as long to lower a clam. But it's fun running the clam now. about full in. Actually, put this over here so I can dump that dirt back over here. Now this is the claw attachment. Oh, switch. This is a claw attachment for Adam's excavator. If I can load these logs in back of the truck. That's going to be a reach. I guess that'll work. Works pretty nice though. Pretty strong claw. One more here. It's allowed to pivot like 90 degrees. So that's just gravity. If you get at a certain angle, you can kind of get it to pivot where you want it. It does not have a powered pivot on it, controlled pivot. And I also put a quick release on the on the attachments too, so that it. I'll grab the bucket, do video of the bucket that comes with it. Yeah, so I just undid the quick release hydraulic lines on the claw. So now I can unlock the claw attachment here. There we go. Uh-oh. Might not be able to reach your bucket. Huh. See if I can pull it up. That's not going to work. Yeah, come on. There we go. Wrong switch. I guess I need more practice on this, that's for sure. Now I might have it. No. Almost. Yeah, I think I might have it now. Nah, it's still not quite square on it. Oh, I see. I had my locks at. There we go. Now it's locked. That's it. Truck's not close enough. And something's moving on the boom. What's moving there? The trim on the stick needs to be adjusted. And there it is. See if I can let this guy go again. I guess I should bring it closer first. There we go.